Hi everybody, it's Mary. I'm coming to you with another live video. Today I am going to share my screen, and first, if you've not done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm really excited to show you my back office here, and I'm going to take you to another side as well and show you what that is about. But this is our affiliate back office, and this is Successful Solution Method right here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Maybe. There we go. All right, so let's move that up out of the way. This is my back office, and as you'll notice, I have 10 total transactions, current earnings, total earnings, and this is my visitors, and this is basically what the back office looks like. So when you order traffic through our paid traffic, that traffic is going to show up back here in your IDEB account, and this account is going to show you paid traffic that's come to your website, and also anybody you've sent your link to will be directed to this to your back office. So as you can tell here, this is the traffic that's been generated. And I love that it gives you details as to how many people have visited your site. Here it says 197, and 9 that day, 16 this day. These taller ones here are the paid traffic, and the shorter ones here are me sending out my link and people clicking on it and viewing it. So I love that it shows this here in your back office, so you can keep track of what's going on and how you're gonna need to buy more traffic or get more people to your site. This one here is a sale with a commission of one commission that day, and it's just a really neat little benefit to us, so you know we can keep track of how our traffic is working, and how many eyeballs we're getting to it. So let me move this camera out of the way here. The traffic log in our back office here. It will list the date that the person viewed your website, the time, their ISP address, and then the referring link will show up over here, and you'll have all this information to review. Here, this is from Facebook. Somebody clicked on that. Our program is international, so we do get international people that are interested and wanting to take a look at this and see how we do this program. So as you can see, another page of people that have looked at the program from a different country, which is totally awesome. Our payment history. Sorry, it's just running a little slow. This is where it's going to list your payments and the dates. Over here, excuse me, over here is the date that you got paid on, I should say. This here commissions, this lists how many commissions you made for that day. And this is your commission amount. And then of course you have your invoice over here. And over here, pending commissions. This here's where you're going to see your pending commissions that you have earned. And when those get paid out, that is every Friday. it gets approved, and then you get paid out automatically, sent to your Stripe account. Or if you're international, they have ways to get you paid as well. So this is pretty neat that it shows you all this great detail in the back of your iDeb account. And then it's got training materials, right here, short little information, you know, on the program and everything. But yeah, the traffic log is what we use to view our paid traffic, our people we've sent our link to. It's nice to know where your traffic's coming from, so you know where to promote better and where you need to work, what you need to work on, and you know, it's just, I'm glad it shows up in the back office. So our iDeb account, yes, move that up out of the way. It'll list everything that you need to know. This is your referral link for your iDeb account. It is an awesome program, and to get traffic, you know, like this, and to be able to see where it's coming from, it's just amazing. It helps your business grow, and anything that you want to know about it is back here in your office. Your earned income, your transactions, everything is just pretty much laid out here for you, so that you can find out what your earnings are going to be coming in, where your traffic is coming from, and where you need to better promote yourself to get more traffic, because we want to get this out to as many people as possible, because this program is just simply amazing. It has an earn while you learn. It's an earn while you learn program for doing simple tasks, and you've never seen anything like this before. So anyway, this is the iDeb Back Affiliate Office, and this is where you can see your traffic. So traffic is the most important thing for your program, and whether it's paid traffic or organic traffic that you're getting eyeballs to your website, you're going to need traffic, and this is one way that we keep track of that. So wanted to give you a quick tour, and if you have any questions, I'll leave my link down below. Feel free to get back with me, and I'll look forward to making another video for you. So everybody have a great day, and see you on the next video.